Nongthymmai TMC Legislator Charles Pyngrope in the Assembly today urged the state government to earmark ₹5 crore for reconstruction of roads under Nongthymmai constituency. While raising the issue during the question hour, Pyngrope said that the road in Nongthymmai area is in dilapidated condition despite half of the cabinet ministers are living in the area. In his reply, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, who is also in charge of PWD roads, said that the intention of the state government and the department as far as Shillong is concerned is to make sure that all the weather roads are in good condition.
Sir, yesterday in the supplementary demands for grants, a huge amount was passed for the Honourable Ministers. May I know from the Honourable Minister if he will earmark 5 crores from the supplementary grants passed yesterday for the reconstruction of roads in Nongthymmai areas?
VPP Chief R.